Is it hard to turn 3D models into Minecraft blocks? Well, not anymore. Let's say you have a model, anything in mind, and you want to make it look like block art. There are two ways to do that. First, through modifiers. We add a remesh modifier to the model, put it on block mode, and change the values there until we get something nice. And for beginners, this kinda works. Still, it has one downside, and that's the UV. See, if we have a model with textures on it, and we use the remesh blocks method, what this does is change the entire mesh, so the UV wrapping is no longer valid on the model, and to project the texture again, you might have a shot with UV projecting modifier, but that's rare, so you end up with UV unwrapping the entire thing all from the start. There's another way to do Minecraft blocks in Blender, and that is by using geometry nodes. And, although you could learn the entire thing from the start, there's an add-on called BlockBlender, and it has both free and paid versions. You can get it on both Gumroad and the Blendermarket. Just pay attention to the Blender version you need to have, since below that on older versions, this won't work, and you can read all about this along with the troubleshoot from the links down below. To play with this, you can append the file we downloaded, go to the object folder, and look for BlockBlender importer. You can also make it in the asset library directly, and that's up to you. After that, add a geometry node modifier to the mesh, and switch it to BlockBlender. Two things to pay attention to. One is the block size if you want to change it from this field, or you can leave it at 1 and rescale the mesh in edit mode. The second thing to add is the texture from the model. Get its name from the material base color and assign it to the geometry node. And that's it. You can play on the remaining values to get different results, or visit the author's page for more explanation on this amazing tool. See you guys next time, stay sharp, goodbye.